Hey, what's up guys, Apps here, and welcome to creating a web browser in Swift. And this is the updated version. So this is an update to the original series, which was called Creating a Web Browser in Swift, that uses Xcode 7, which now we're currently on Xcode 8. So just a quick update to that, and I was gone for 2 weeks because I was sick, so I couldn't upload, but we are uploading today, so we're going to get started by creating a new Xcode project. And this Creating Web Browser in Swift is a multi-part series like before. In part 1 we will just be designing the app and things like that, and designing the icon. So to design the icon, before we click on next, I'm going to take a screenshot of the white background, and that is Command-Shift-4. You just want to take a square. It saves to the desktop immediately. We're going to focus on that later. But we're going to hit next, and you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it updated web browser. Go ahead and hit next, and save it wherever. It will say replace because I already created this, but it will not say replace for you. So while that starts to load up, we are going to focus on our icon here. So I'm going to open the screenshot we took, and I'm using the default preview app to edit this. You can use whatever way you want. So first we're going to resize this to 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. And in case they don't match, you can always press this lock or unlock button. So as you can see, when it's locked, it doesn't match to 1000, but when it's unlocked, I can put it to 1000. So we're going to hit OK. I'm going to make that a bit bigger and zoom out. We're going to select black text. We're going to add a text. Color black. We want to make it a bit bigger. Web. I'm going to call this Web Browser 2.0. Let's make this just a bit bigger. Let's try 500 here. Alright, that works out. So this icon looks good. I like this icon. So once you have finished your icon and it looks good to you, you're just going to click the toolbox icon again, and you should be able to close out of preview now. As you can see, it looks pretty good here. So back to Xcode. We're going to head directly to our main.storyboard file. And it just takes a second to load here. Alright, so I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus simulator, so I'm going to resize this to iPhone 7 Plus, make that a bit bigger, and let's get started. So first of all, we want a text field that allows us to enter the URL, and then we're going to say placeholder text as enter URL. Just a bit bigger, and we're going to need a button and an activity indicator. First of all, we need animating and hides when stopped, also a button. This button will say OK. And resize that to make it look good. And we're going to place the activity indicator in the actual text field. So we want a toolbar now at the bottom for the back, forward, refresh, and stop. So that is the... Just search for bar and we get toolbar. Drag that down. You want to create 4 of these, so copy, paste, paste, paste. We'll say back, forward, and the other one will say forward. This one will be in system icons refresh, and this one will be in system icons stop. We need a spacer between them. So now that looks good. And then the one thing that's missing is the web view. we're just going to drag that in here. For some reason it is white. I'm just going to drag that all the way to the bottom. I'm going to click on the back, right click and drag to the web view. We're going to select go back, and for the forward it will be go forward, and same for the others. Reload. This one is stop loading. So now if we have the URL set, we should be able to go back, forward, refresh the page, and yeah, so that the main.storyboard part is done. Now I want to head into our info.plist file. We want to extend this and add one. We want to search for app transport security settings. And in this, we're going to go down, add allow arbitrary loads, and it's set to yes, so that it loads the other websites that don't have the HTTPS on it. So it'll load websites like HTTP. So we're good here, and we're gonna focus on our app icon now. So there's many ones you can use. There's also Prepo. I'm going to use that, but you can also use make app icon. If you just Google that, make app icon, you'll just be redirected to the first link, and you just drag it in. Then it'll email you a file, and then which you'll be able to download. But for this, we're gonna get our image here, add artwork. As you can see, we got all our icons. So we're gonna export this and just to the desktop and hit choose. So a lot of icons, but in Xcode there's a place for each and every one of them. We head to our assets.xc assets and app icon. So we're going to look for the 20 point. Let's see here. Looks like it is this one. That's a 3x. That's a 2x. So these two are good. We can move these two out of the way here. And then we need the 29 point. Alright, so I did put them all in, except for this one, so just real quickly we're gonna drag that one in. The 29 point. In case you can't find it, just go ahead and put a random one. Some of these are a little random, because I was not able to find them, but anyways, that works out. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can chat on our Discord page. You just head to my channel and click on about, scroll down, and then you got the link to the Discord invite. You can always post in the comments section below. Do subscribe. Part 2 will be out soon. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.